to them, you can move, you can do whatever you want back here. They're still not spooked. Young and dumb. He was calling his brains out to have us come to him, but he's going to end up coming our way. It's been a long time since I shot a bird in the afternoon. We usually only do morning roost hunts. We already walked this whole property over here. Called. We're walking off the property, made one last call. They're all on the back of the other edge. Called them right in. Yes. Second kill with a bow, with a crossbow. This 10-point got the job done. Oh, wow. That was awesome. That was fun. This was the big boy, I hope. He is a fighter. Got a busted up fan. That's pretty cool. Oh. You know, I never even got a look at this guy, but that looks like a pretty decent beard right there. Looks like, yeah, 10 inches or so. Called him right in, called him off an open field through this thick brush. That's a fun hunt with the 10-point crossbow. We had some awesome hunts this year with the crossbow. We had some decoys set up on some jakes, put them in real tight to us so we could get some great footage. Jakes come right in, beat the snot out of the decoy for about 15 minutes. This was just an absolute fun hunt. I haven't killed a bird in forever in the afternoon. It's only been morning hunting that I've been doing. Got out here on a Saturday and got it done on a nice hot spring day. What a great hunt.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my daddy's channel.